What's poppin', everybody? I just wanted to make a really quick short video on how you can create GIFs using Adobe Premiere. It can be for whatever. My intended purpose is using it for Streamlabs on my stream. I'm going to show you how to match the audio with it too, if that's what you're doing. So I'll show you what's up. So you come over here into Adobe Premiere and you edit up your video however you want it to be. I'm going to show you what it looks like one quick time. So our goal is to get this as a GIF on the stream. So you want to come up here to File, Export, Media, and then for the format you want to click Animated GIF, not GIF. You want Animated GIF. If you click GIF, it's going to create all the frames as separate pictures, and it's not what you want at all. So output name, we're just going to name this Scorpion. You can name it whatever the hell you want. And then what I do is I turn my quality down to 50 because I want to conserve on file space because it is limited on Streamlabs. And then I also change my width to 500 and then automatically change the height. And then you can change the frame rate to whatever you want. I want high frame rate, so I'm going to click 50. But if you want to conserve on space, I'd recommend going like 25 or 20. Depends on what it's for. And then you want to hit export. That's all finished. So I'm going to go to my GIF folder, find a scorpion right here. Perfect, exactly what we wanted. So now, if you are using this like how I'm using it for Streamlabs, what you want to do next is go to File, Export, Media, and then go to MP3 if you want audio to sync up with it. So then I'm going to name this Scorpion, put this in my sound effects folder, and I'm going to change my audio bitrate to higher quality because I don't want a shitty audio quality. You export that, that'll do it in like a split second. So then we're done with this. So now we can go to my Streamlabs. We're gonna upload images, Scorpion, and we're waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting until it finally, here, what's the file size? The file size on that is a whopping 30 megabytes, so not too many, not too bad. But it's still kind of high, unfortunately. But you can always mess with the quality. You can make the image size smaller, whatever you got to do. So then we'll select that one. And then for the media, sounds, go to sound effects, Scorpion.mp3. Click that. Alright, and then we're going to give this a quick test. So now we'll see if this works. We will test this. There you go. Perfect. Exactly what we wanted. So that's how you go about that. Thank you for checking out the video. If you want more awesome content, subscribe to the channel, check out the Twitch, and that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Peace out.